What is paint correction? Paint correction is a technique used to eliminate paint imperfections, leaving your vehicle with a like-new paint job. Before doing any paint correction work, we use a paint thickness gauge to determine if the vehicle has enough clear coat to perform this service. Most daily drivers choose to have a paint enhancement polish, which is a one-stage correction. This generally gets most light swirls out of the paint and will greatly enhance the shine of the vehicle. However, for those car enthusiasts that want as close to showroom finish as possible, we do what is called a multi-step correction. This process uses a number of pad and polish combinations to achieve the highest defect removal we can achieve while still maintaining good clear coat thickness. If you find yourself looking at your vehicle in the sun, getting frustrated with the spider web effect from the swirl marks, a paint correction service is perfect for you. Whether you decide on a one-step or a multi-step correction, we always recommend topping it off with a ceramic coating to ensure the vehicle will stay looking its best for years to come. Contact Martin's Auto Spa in Wilmington and see to find out more information. If you like seeing good before and after shots, please subscribe to our channel and stick around until the end of the video for some more amazing results.
We still on it. Build on it. We still on it. We still on it. Build on it. We still on it.